this is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi, back with another balloon tutorial. Now, I thought I taught you this balloon a long time ago, but I can't find it, so I want to make sure you have it. We're going to make a simple ray gun. I already inflated the balloon. I didn't leave much of a tail. I inflated it, then squeezed it, loosening up the balloon. Now, what you're going to do is start at the nozzle. The first thing you're going to make is the handle of the ray gun. So basically, you want to make the handle about the size of the kid's hand. So since I'm making it for me, I'm holding the balloon right here. That's my first twist. Now you're going to make a little loop, just like this. You can see the loop. I'm going to twist. That's your first ray gun loop. Now you're going to have a little spacer bubble. You don't need much, just a tiny little bubble, as you can see. Now you're going to make another loop the same size. Twist that. Now here you have your handle. It almost looks like a funny looking dog. You have your handle here, you have your first loop, your spacer balloon in the second loop. Now all I'm going to do is take this balloon here, grab it, and put it right through the loop. Pull, leave a little bit out here, put this up here, and there you go. Now you tell your kids they have their ray gun. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi. This is your simple ray gun with one balloon. Thank you very much and see you next month.